Hello everybody. In previous tutorial we had discussed how objects get stored in hashmap and how put method works in detail. In this session we will try to know how we will fetch objects from hashmap based on key. That is how get method works on keys. To illustrate this we will follow same example and we will know bit by bit each and everything in detail. So let's go through that example. Here in diagram we can see there is one hash map object and 5 objects are stored into that. At index number 1, one object with key George hash key 7077772225 with value 105 and pointing to null. On index 4, if we see 2 objects are stored in linked list format. First object has a key caddy hash value 7077772256 value as 100 and its pointer is pointing to next object which have key of David hash key 7077772280 value as 115 and pointing to null. Same way other 2 objects are stored, one at 11 and second one as 14. Now to fetch objects based on key, we will write like hm.get method and we will pass key as a parameter. What does it do? It works as earlier while we use storing the object within hash map. Key.hashcode method will be get called which will return 32-bit number code. This number will be passed in hash function which is built-in function of hashmap. After this, to get the bucket address, bitwise and operation will be performed on hashmap length. So initially it is by default 16. So indexing will be from 0 to 15. Size will be 16. Hashmap hash value bitwise operation and operation length of the hash map. So for first object we pass key as a caddy on key.hashcode is performed and finally we received value as 7077772256 as a value from this hash function and it returned index is equal to 4 after bitwise operation. So first hash code will be get checked, calculated hash code here. If it is equal to hash code stored on index number 4 this hash code. Yes, both are equal. The next thing, key will be matched by equals method. Here we can see key are same. It is returning true by equals method. So finally value 100 will be get returned to the caller. Same way we passed key as a charge, key.hashcode will be get called and that result will be passed within hash function as a parameter. After bitwise operation, we receive the hash as 70777225 and index as 1. So here again calculated hash code and stored hash code will be matched. Both are same. Again key will be checked whether both are equal or not. Here both are equal. So 105 as a value will be get returned. Debit as a key. Here hash function will be get performed after bitwise operation. We will receive hash as 70777722 at 0 and index at 4. So at index number 4, hash value will be compared. It will check whether hash value are same or not. It will find both are different. So it will traverse next into linked list and again hash value will be compared, hash value is stored in the next object. So here both are same. We can see 70777722 at 0. Here also same value is present. After that key will be compared. Both keys are same. Thus 115 as a value will be returned to caller. Same way for boost and mark. We will get their respective value 125 and 145. So one thing worth noting, it checks both key through equals method and hash code. That's why we need to override equals and hash code method both. If we do only equals not hash code, in that case what will happen, key will, even though key will return true, but hash code will be different. It will return 32-bit code by using object class implementation, default implementation, which will be different always. And in second case, if we override hash code method not equals, then hash code will be same, but key will not return true. Means key will not be same. By default implementation of object class, it will check reference, not content, which will always be different. So proper functioning of hash map, we need to override both equals and hash code method. In next video, we'll see some real-time programming example and we'll go into detail between the contexts of equals and hash code methods. Again, put your comments. I will reach to you guys with answer any type of query and a question. Most welcome. See you in next video. Bye.